Hi, I'm Dev from Kribati. Today we are going to talk about a feature in Xero called repeating invoices. Are you worried about getting paid faster and saving time? Working on your business, doing invoicing work in front of a computer could be tough. Not invoicing on time could result in late receipts, which then leads to cash flow issues in the company. Now, if you have invoices of same amount going out in every month or every week, you can use this feature to save a lot of time. Automating this process, you will not miss any invoices being sent out. There are many ways to do this. Go to Dashboard and click on Invoices Owed to You, and then the drop-down option under New, select Repeating Invoice. Then this screen will show up with a form to fill in. You can choose how regularly you want invoices to repeat in terms of weeks or months. Then you can say when the next invoice date to be and set the invoice due date in the next page. Let's say it's due in 7 days from the date of invoice for an example. Again, we can set the end date to this if we wanted this repeating to stop on certain day as when the agreement end date for an example. By ticking these tick boxes, we can choose how we want our repeated invoice to be. We can either have the invoice created and saved as a draft. This will allow us to check the invoice, but then we'll have to manually send them again. Alternatively, we can set it as approved invoice, so it will be in the system, but again we'll have to send them to the client manually. We can have it approved and sent also. So go to invoice and choose a customer, then put a reference number and here choose any branding you would like to have and fill these invoice details too. Choose the sales account and we can see we are getting our tax amount and total at the bottom of the invoice. Then when we save this, a message will show up asking how the message should be present to the customer. We can use the default repeating invoice message template or a customized one. We can see there are placeholders in here for us to use if needed, and we can change the text as we wish. There's an option to send ourselves a copy, mark as sent, and choose to include the PDF to send the customer. Click done, it's saved in the system. I'm an accountant. I was stressed about sending invoices, but now with Xero, it's zero stress. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe us and turn on the bell icon to get notified when we release a new video. Thank you.